So, no, I'm not making tea. I've done a video not too long ago about how to take care of fire ants and how to, a couple of home remedies for getting rid of fire ants in your lawn, your yards, and gardens. The best one I have found, I'm about to show you, and that is simple boiling hot water. So, we have a mound right here, the tea kettle full of boiling water. I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to pour the boiling water into the mound. And those ants will be dead. Don't ask me how it works. Don't ask me the science. I don't know. But there's already, if you can see there on the top, a lot of dead ones. There are a few really large mounds that may take 2 times to get enough water in there, I guess. But that boiling water, easiest, most effective way I have found to take care of the carpenter ants. I'm sorry, carpenter ants. Take care of fire ants, get rid of those. No toxic chemicals, and it really does work. It does a great job. So whether you use a kettle or a pot of boiling water, just dump that boiling water directly on the fire ant mound, and there you go. That's simple. No toxic chemicals to run off in the water supply. No toxic chemicals for you to be in contact with. So perfectly harmless to the environment, but great way to get rid of those fire ants that are such a nuisance, especially, I know here in Texas, they're just everywhere. But hope you find that tip useful and helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.